Hey YouTube, it's your girl Slim Share. Well, I'm back because I was tagged to do a tag called Getting to Know You. It has 23 questions and tag was created by someone else, but I was tagged by Linda Major to do this tag. And I would say good afternoon, but it's nighttime over here, so it is 10:23 p.m. over here. So let's get the party started without any further ado. Number 1, do you have pets? No. Number 2, name 3 physical things that are close to you: a computer, eyeglasses, and highlighter. Number 3, what's the weather like right now? It's sunny and breezy. I mean, not sunny, it's breezy. Number 4, do you drive? No. If so, have you ever crashed? No. Number 5, what time did you wake up this morning? 9:39 a.m. Number 6, when was the last time you showered? I take baths every day. I don't take a shower. Number 7, what was the last movie you saw? The Boy Next Door. Number 8, what was your last text or SMS? Say, my last text was, hey girl. Number 9, what's your ringtone? Well, I have a ringtone, but I don't hear it because I'm always texting. Number 10, do you like sushi? No way. Number 11, where do you buy your groceries? Walmart. Number 12, have you ever taken medication to sleep? No way. Number 13, how many siblings do you have? I have 3. Number 14, how old will you be on your next birthday? That big 38 years old. Number 15, do you wear contacts or glasses? Neither one. Number 16, do you color your hair? No way. Number 17, tell me something you plan to do today. Well, early part of the day I was relaxing and watching television. I cleaned up and mopped the whole house out and etc. Number 18, when was the last time you cried? It has been a long time. Number 19, what's your perfect pizza topping? Pepperoni. Number 20, which do you prefer, hamburger or cheeseburger? I like both. Number 21, have you ever had an all-nighter? Yes, sometimes I stay up watching movies. Number 22, what's your eye color? Brown. 23, can you taste the difference between Pepsi or Coke? Yes, Coke tastes strong. And okay, that's all the questions. And I will have the questions below, like I said, and I tag anybody who would like to do this tag. Feel free to do it. And thanks once again to Linda Major for tagging me. Thank you all for watching my video. Have a blessed and safe night. Bye-bye.